Store-bought yogurt? No need. Today let's make creamy, delicious homemade yogurt with just a few simple ingredients. Unlike store-bought yogurt, this is free from artificial additives. Hello and welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida with you. First, take half cup curd or yogurt and pour it into a cotton cloth. Strain out excess water for a thicker and creamier texture. Keep it aside. In a pan, add half cup sugar, 1 tablespoon water. Cook on low heat until the sugar caramelizes into a golden brown color. Gradually add 3 cups milk, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Boil for 5 minutes, then remove from heat and let it cool to a lukewarm temperature. If you want the better texture, straining the curd before use helps make thicker and creamier yogurt. Add the prepared curd starter to the lukewarm milk. The milk should be lukewarm, not hot, when adding the curd. Mix well to distribute the curd evenly. Pour the mixture into a mold or container. Now place a pan on the stove, add a wire stand inside. Wrap the mold with a towel to maintain warmth. Cover the pan and cook on low heat for 45 to 1 hour. Turn off the heat and let it cool down naturally. Curds boost immunity, contains good bacteria that strengthen the immune system, helps with muscle growth and keep you full longer. Once set, refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight for a perfect texture. And there you have it, creamy, healthy homemade yogurt made effortlessly at home. Say goodbye to store-bought yogurt and enjoy this natural, preservative-free delight. If you want flavored yogurt, add vanilla, fruit purees or honey for a flavored twist. Curd is rich in probiotics, supports gut health and digestion, a great source of calcium and vitamin D. Try it out and share your experience in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video.